Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings so you can change the interface language. Once Chrome is open, click the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Settings. Make sure you're in the profile you want to change. If Settings looks busy, type Language into the Settings search box. This jumps you to the language section quickly. Doing this avoids digging through menus and ensures you modify the correct profile. Now move to the language controls and add English if it's not listed. Once you're in the language settings, click Add Languages and search for English. Pick the specific variant you prefer, such as English United States or English United Kingdom. After adding it, find the three-dot menu beside the English entry. Use Move to the top to prioritize it, and toggle Display Google Chrome in this language, if present. Make sure to reorder other languages if needed so English becomes primary. Doing this makes Chrome prefer English for menus, prompts, and built-in UI elements. To finalize, click Relaunch or manually restart Chrome so the new language takes effect. Once Chrome restarts, the UI should display in English. If you still see another language, make sure you change the active profile settings and not a secondary profile, and check that Chrome Translate or site-specific language preferences aren't overriding the UI. If the language option is grayed out, clear cache and cookies, or check enterprise policies and extensions that might lock settings. Contact your admin if policies prevent changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.